Hello friends, in 15th December 2018 we noticed a reduction in our subscribers in YouTube channels. In this video we are going to explain why this has happened and what is the reason and how to avoid this in the future, especially if you have 1,000 subscribers and you are going to submit your application for a partner with YouTube to activate monetization. This is going to affect you a lot. So how we gonna deal with this situation? If this is your first time here to watch Time Saving Channel, we are a technology channel which are interested in all related technologies which can save your time and improve your efficiency, especially if you are working online. Please stay tuned. Well, link of this article I leave it in description section. You can read it in detail. I'm going to give you a summary only. Hi creators, heads up that on December 14, 2018 you may see a noticeable decrease in your subscriber counts as we remove spam subscribers from your channel. We regularly verify the legitimacy of accounts and actions on your YouTube channel. We have recently identified and fixed an issue that caused some spam to be removed. Today, tomorrow, means 14th, 15th, we will be taking action and removing subscribers that were in fact spam from our systems. So they have their own system to define the spams. It's not so clear in this article. However, this is what they are going to do, and this is what happened to us. That's why if you already purchased subscriptions, you may face this problem. How do I know if I had a spam subscriptions? If we remove spam subscribers from your channel subscriber count, you will see a banner in YouTube Studio or Classic Creator Studio. This is rolling out over the next few days. So they are going to do it in stages, and this is what is happening now. This is the issue if you have already only 1,000 subscribers and your number now reduced. What if I have fallen below the YouTube Partner Program YPP threshold of 1,000 subscriptions as a result of removal? Channel that had the reply of YouTube, channel that had a high percentage of spam and fall below 1,000 subscribers will no longer meet the minimum requirements for YPP. So this is the problem here. If you already purchased subscribers and you reach it to 1,000 subscriber, you will not be able to submit your application for a partner and activate monetization. So what is the criteria they are identifying spams? It's not so clear as what they said here. They have their own system, they have their own advanced statics and machines, and as well and manual review as well. So you know what you have done in your channel. My advice to you, if you want to grow a channel, don't purchase subscribers or views. Try to do it organically so that you will be able to grow in a right way and you will not face any problem in the future. And this is what I have for today's video. This article will be in description section. I hope you found this video helpful. If you find it useful, please share it with others and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss anything. Thanks for watching Time Saving. I'll catch you in another video. Bye.